सब्सक्राइब करें, प्रेस करें बेल आइकॉन और पाएं मुंबई, नवी मुंबई एवं बॉलीवुड की ताजा तरीन खबरें।
With 229 fresh cases of COVID-19 recorded in the last 24 hours, the total number of coronavirus cases in India has reached 21,797. Gujarat has now emerged as the second worst affected state after Maharashtra, reporting 431 new cases. The death toll in India stands at 683, while the global figure has gone past 180,000. Maharashtra's COVID-19 cases crossed 5,600 mark with death toll at 269. Mumbai has the highest number of COVID-19 cases at 3,096, followed by Pune at 660, Thane at 465, Nashik at 96 and Nagpur at 76. West Bengal Governor Jagdeep Dhankar appeals to CM Mamata Banerjee to ensure free passage to the visiting central team. West Bengal assures to abide by centre's orders on lockdown. Former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh at CWC meet informed that success of lockdown to be judged finally on our ability to tackle COVID-19. China's asymptomatic cases increased to over 980 with 27 new infections. Thailand reports 13 new coronavirus cases, 1 new death. Japan reports 14 more coronavirus cases on Italian cruise ship docked for repairs in Japan, bringing the total to at least 48. According to a report released by the World Bank, lockdown in India has impacted 40 million livelihoods of internal migrants. Congress President Sonia Gandhi accused BJP of spreading the virus of communal prejudice and hatred in the country while asserting that grave damage is being done to social harmony. Due to the outbreak of the coronavirus pandemic, the Kailash Mansarovar Yatra and border trade between India and China through the Nathula Pass remains cancelled this year. The INC Voter COVID-19 Tracker Survey has showed an increase of 93.5% of people trusting that Modi government will handle COVID-19 crisis well from 76.8% as was on the first day of the lockdown. Jammu and Kashmir's Pulwama and Kishtwar become coronavirus free as all 4 patients in the 2 districts have recovered. The World Health Organization chief Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus urged the United States to reconsider its decision to freeze funding to the organization and hoped that US will once again support WHO's work and continue to save lives. Microsoft co-founder Bill Gates in a letter to PM Modi hails PM's leadership in effort to contain and combat the spread of COVID-19. Karnataka government eases lockdown 2.0 as it allowed a range of services, reiterating that the relaxations will not apply to COVID-19 hotspots and containment zones in the state. Kerala CM Pinarayi Vijayan announced that all elected representatives in the state, including ministers, MLAs, members of different boards under government and members of local self-government bodies would take a 30% cut in their monthly salary and honorarium for 1 year. World Bank predicts sharpest decline of global remittances by 20% this year due to COVID-19 induced economic crisis. According to an AFP tally based on official sources, more than 180,000 people in the world have died from the novel coronavirus, nearly 2/3 of them in Europe since the virus emerged from China. Bureau Report, NMTV News.